Dieting isn't always easy. Keeping your social life while dieting is even harder. There will be a time you get stuck or just want to eat out. So here are 7 quick tips that I always try to follow while eating out. Number 1, look for items that are baked, steamed, broiled, or grilled. These are almost always a healthier option and less calorie dense. Stay away from anything that's fried. Number 2, a salad isn't always the healthiest option. Keep the dressing on the side and add it in yourself after. Number 3, ask for substitutes. Most restaurants will accommodate your requests. Lettuce bun instead of bread for your turkey burger, lower fat cheeses, fat-free or lighter dressings, plain Greek yogurt over mayo or sour cream, less or no oil. You get the idea. Number 4, vegetarian meals can be calorie dense. Always read what's in what you're ordering. Sometimes these healthy vegetarian options can be packed with calories. Number 5, use a calorie tracker. These trackers will almost always have whatever option you're looking for on it. Nowadays, most big restaurants even have their own section on these apps, which makes things even easier. If they don't, chances are you can find a similar item or add the individual ingredients that make up the recipe. Checking out your options before you go will make sure you're not stuck on your phone while at dinner and probably save you an argument. Number 6, still not sure what to eat and don't have access to a calorie tracker? Water and a spoon is your friend. No, I'm kidding. Find the healthy section on the menu and go from there. And number 7, for the hardcore dieters out there, bring your own spices or dressings with you. I've seen more than a handful of people bring their own sugar-free syrup with them to breakfast, so don't feel weird doing so, even if you get some weird looks. So there are a couple tips I've followed throughout the years. The most important tip, however, is to enjoy yourself when you go out and to not stress out over a few calories. Give yourself a little freedom and learn to practice moderation. I know I've definitely taken it too seriously at times, and teaching myself to not overthink the process has yielded me much better results in the gym and my personal life. Of course, if you're competing or something, then you have to take it a bit more seriously, and that's understandable. Let me know down below how you guys approach going out. Do you go all in or do you have limits? With that, thank you guys for watching. Smack that thumbs up button. Follow me at The Protein Chef on social media. Subscribe and turn on notifications by hitting that little bell so you never miss a video. And of course, stay healthy.